this very nice person is Chinatown, Toronto downtown. I'm going to ask him. Hi friend, as we discussed, can you tell about yourself and your message and your story?
My name is Tak Chen and I came from Hong Kong.
I thought Vietnam.
My mother tongue is Cantonese.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And my idea why I came out every day I come out, the purpose is to to explore my living style, and then I can see more people. I hope more people can teach me more.
Yeah, and positivity, right?
Yes.
What's your message to people?
Yes, and actually the world is smaller and smaller. That's why we everybody should be happy, should be relaxed.
Yes.
And should be everything natural and everything don't make ourselves depressed. Right?
Yeah, that's true. Yes. And like you were saying, why you do this is you want to be active instead of staying home. It's exercise, right?
Yeah. Yes.
And it makes you happy too? Of course, right?
Yes.
It makes us happy too.
Yes.
But thank you, friend, for your time.
Yeah, welcome. You're welcome. Anytime, come more time.
Or yeah, anyone can.
Every day usually I will be here.
And anyone can come and talk. Again? Oh, sorry. I'm holding the camera, so and my food. So my name is Hiran.
Hiran.
Yes, yeah. So anyone can.
Are you Vietnamese?
Sri Lankan.
Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Oh, welcome to Canada. Welcome.
Thank you.
Toronto.
Thanks. I've been here 23 years.
Yes,
but and also I think you like it if people come talk to you, right?
Yes,
yeah.
Yes.
You were very friendly when I came and talked to you the other day.
Yes.
But thank you, friend. It's very interesting and motivates us also to be active and happy, right? Walk outside. And
I wish everybody feel peaceful, feel the world more happy and happy.
Yes, me too.
The world is so small. Why we need to all stick together? Stuck together and make so much
problems. Yeah.
Open our mind and open everything. We will be happy and healthy and happy.
Yes, that's true. I agree. Thank you, friend. I'm going to end the video.
Yeah.
And if anyone likes to come talk to this gentleman,
I get also one Sri Lanka friend, very good friend, but he passed away.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
His name is Mani.
Oh, nice.
very good man.
Yeah.
Every day cook for me.
Oh wow, really? Every day?
Yes.
Wow,
that's
amazing.
Why I like curry.
Yeah.
I like spicy.
Wow, nice, amazing. Thank you, friend. Have a good night.
Okay.
Okay, take care. Bye.